Electric bicycles or pedal assist bicycles are generally just regular bicycles, but it has a motor and a battery which will help the cyclist move. We saw worldwide that the electric vehicle technology is already mature and it's quite ready for commercialization.
Enhance the speed of delivery. The only difference is the motor. Yung sa ano ko naman is pedal assist na tumutulong sa para mag-generate siya ng income, mabilis ako makapag-deliver, at hindi ako masyadong pagod.
Apart from providing the electric bicycles, we provide monthly maintenance.
Ako po si Paul Jan F. Horatio. Ako po yung mekaniko ng Exxon Cycle. Ginagawa ko mag-repair, mag-assemble. Hilig ko lang mag-bike. Tsaka mahilig din ako mga likot ng mga electrical, electronics, mga ganyan. Kaya nagustuhan ko din yung gumamit din ng electric bike.
Kailangan may maintenance ka dapat every month. Before kang magbiyahe, lagi mo dapat double check dapat yan. And ako is helping me po. Sa 5 years ko na pag-deliver, unang-una yung sa bike lane, sobrang hirap. Tapos meron tayong mga overpass. Kahit ano yung e-bike ko, ayan, binubuhat ko yan.
Unfortunately, it's still severely lacking compared to other countries. But what is good is that there are a lot of private individuals, NGOs, and even government who are actually starting to promote better infrastructure for active transport. When we talk about last mile transportation, e-bicycles are sort of the best and most efficient in this area. So it promotes active transport, which provides a healthier lifestyle. Your carbon emissions are very low, and at the same time, the cost of using an electric bicycle is way lower. So once we have better infrastructure, people will feel more safe riding on the road, and pushing e-bike use will not be a problem.